Practice with this video what you learned in the explanation one. Link in the description. Have you gone camping?
Aha! Aha!
Yes, I have. We used to go camping a lot. We stood around the campfire. And went fishing in the stream. What about you?
Aha! Quibno!
Have you gone camping?
Oh! Oh!
No, I haven't.
Dala Shibi Yaba Nurchel Quosenex Chibal Dormf.
Where were you?
Yumbala! Dolphin? Oh! Grana Ura! Nabaflarzo.
I have gone to the gym. Can't you see how muscular I am?
Wumshasiba.
Olivar Zamonis era.
Ah!
Brisham Wafatub. Prita? Taba Fondo.
Very nice. I went to the gym once. That's the problem. Once. I worked in an office for 3 years, but I don't anymore.
Huh.
Oh, really? How was it?
Oh. Niba Hana Umfra.
It was very boring. I worked on a computer. What about now? I have worked at a restaurant for a year. I love it.
Abahorn in Juke. Kalu, Lema? Kubepa?
Dimpuna.
Lovo.
Have you tidied your room?
Astolal. Osto. Shayli. Nicobius. Pinva. Moyib.
Yes, I have. Then why is it such a mess?
Shuksona. La. Sush. Flina Lo, Acho, Gazo, Dorgo.
The dog has made it messy again. Who is your favorite movie star?
Awavini? Wabarani Charib. Zabris Kathara. And Fabi Narble.
My favorite movie star mostly made movies in the 1930s.
Boy, her grief? Snape! Bolito, ho-ho.
Hey, Bruges.
Oh, Darza.
He died in 1959.
Snape Charso Denoy.
Piguna.
Flagisi.
Oh, Pimpini.
He made over 50 movies. Can you guess his name? No. Clark Gable, who is your favorite movie star? My favorite movie star is still alive.
Pena Swarbo.
Uh-huh.
Dempa Bifna. Simze. Jab Grow. Smabs Woony. Hino
Dabishi.
She has been in over 60 movies.
Awavini? Wabarani Charib. Zabris Kathara. And Fabi Narble.
She started acting at the age of 8.
Boy, her grief? Snape! Bolito, ho-ho.
Hey, Bruges.
Oh, Darza.
She has been in one of the most successful movie franchises of all time. Can you guess who she is? Scarlett Johansson.
Ooh, Kaba Dizi Inja. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Bored. Uh-huh.
How did you guess?
Flish? Hando.
Oh, Narfa. Fwiz, bored.
Oh, Zombo.
I saw your computer's desktop image. Don't forget to subscribe and consider supporting my work by becoming my patron.